What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to fix the crease in my Jeep JK bumper. After hitting my garage a while ago, it seems like almost every Jeep has a crease in the end of their bumper. I thought about it for a little bit. I was originally gonna get an aftermarket bumper, but after looking at the options and stuff, frankly, I think that some of them look a little cheesy, so I decided to go with a more factory look. So what we're gonna use here is the VDP Bumper End caps. Now these are made in the USA, which I thought was awesome. I got them on Amazon for only about $75, $76 with free shipping. And yeah, it's gonna give me that factory look, that streamlined look that the aftermarket bumpers do not provide. I do not go off-roading. I'm here in New Jersey. They don't really allow most of that stuff anyway. So I'm just looking to get that a little bit more of a stubby bumper while fixing the crease in my stock bumper. And for this project, all we're gonna need is a Sawzall, we're gonna need a drill, we're gonna need some tape and a tape measure, and that's about it. Let's get started. Quick tip, guys, you will be going through both plastic and metal here, so make sure you get the proper blade that can go through metal and not just wood. Okay, both sides are cut off. Could be a little cleaner, but I'm gonna take some sanding paper here and get that pretty clean. Also, this guard on the bottom, it looks like it's kind of in the way, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to put the caps on with that there, and if I have to cut it, I'll cut it. Okay, so it doesn't look like I have to trim off this whole edge here. I think just if I take this part off here, it'll give enough clearance for the bumper end caps. I cleaned up the edges a little bit, just enough so nothing gets caught when I put the bumper cap on. I'm also gonna hit this up with some black spray paint so this doesn't rust up. I already have some rusting issues. I had some rusting issues on the inside of the bumper, so let's clean that up and see how it looks. All right, we are all cleaned up on both sides here. I did spray paint this, and I trimmed just a little bit, just this lip from the wind panel on the bottom, and that seems to be enough to slide this thing on. So we're gonna slide these on, and then what we're gonna do is use I believe a 1/4-inch drill bit with a drill through these holes right here, and then you use these push pins to keep it in place. Let's see how it looks. All right, both sides are on here. So now you have these pre-drilled holes. I think there's 5 on each side. I'm gonna use a 1/4-inch drill bit. All right, and that is it, guys. I got them all on each side. Now, obviously, this is a 2014 Jeep Wrangler here, so my front bumper is pretty faded. So the difference in color is pretty drastic. But once I detail this thing and put some Mother's Back to Black or something like that on for the season, it should be good to go. And if it's not, I could always put some bed liner on it or something and make it look pretty good. But that's it for this video. Excuse my daughter in the corner; she likes it as well. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will see you next video.